Wow, that was one really awesome journey, and I am so happy to see you at the end of this course. Now remember that the course is just ending, but your journey is just starting, and you have to do a lot before you can really understand Python. The first thing that you need to do is you need to solve a lot of problems. And I also have a couple of topics that you can see if you want to progress in Python. So, and here they are. So this is what you should be learning next. Have a look at how to handle files and folders. Iterators and generators form a very important part of Python, especially when you're working with classes and you want to create iterables. So make sure you have a look at them. Then list comprehensions are also very useful. The next point about data serialization and deserialization. Now this is very important when you are working with web applications where you have to convert your JSON data, or if you're working with some other data types, such as if you want to convert your CSV file or Excel files to pandas data frame and so on. The next is decorators. We already had a small look about decorators, but decorators is a pretty big topic. The next is about your object-oriented programming, in which I would like you to have a look at abstract base classes and also OOPs. In this tutorial, we saw how we can inherit from a single class, but in practice, you can inherit from multiple classes. You can also create classes that act as an interface. So there is a lot more to learn about OOPs as well. The next point is about multi-threading and multiprocessing, and the next one would be your concurrency and async IO. Now Python has been a little notorious when it comes to concurrency, but lately there have been a lot of development, especially with the async IO syntax. So if you want to make concurrent applications in Python, I would suggest you to learn a little bit more about concurrency. The next one is testing. Now without testing, none of your applications are going to be complete. Python ships with a testing framework which is called as unit testing, and there are a couple of other testing frameworks such as PyTest. The next would be web frameworks. If you want to create web applications or if you want to create APIs, then I would suggest you to have a look at Django, Flask and Fast API. And last, if you are interested, you can always try learning machine learning and deep learning. So this itself is a very huge topic in Python. And again, I can't stress enough that you have to solve more problems. And finally, before I say goodbye, I would really love to hear from you. You can visit my website or you can tag me on Twitter, or obviously you can check me out on YouTube as well. See you, and let the power of Python be with you.